Here is Sagarika. Welcome all to SAGU'S Math. In this video, we will solve question number 9 and 10 of exercise 6a of your multivariate calculus book. Okay? Calculus book with KP publisher. First, draw its graph and to check the area, the portion which we have to find its area. And first to find the portion whose area we have to find. Okay. Here y equal to x. We know that the graph of y equal to x is like this. Because when x equal to 1, that means y equal to 1. When x equal to 2, y equal to 2. When x equal to 100, y equal to 100. That means the graph is like this. Next is parabola. We know that the parabola are like this and one parabola is like this. Here listen, x square is equal to y. That means power of x is even. If power of x is even, that means it is symmetric to y axis. X power even, that means symmetric to y axis. Symmetric means the figure looks like left half of y is as equal to right half of y. That means the graph is y equal to x. Okay? Y is equal to x. Okay? We have to find the area of these portions. Okay? But now question is to what is the limit of the integration? Okay? First we have to check the coordinate of this intersection. Here parabola and line both are intersect with each other. That means y equal to x and y equal to x square. That implies we will put in place of y equal to x equal to x square. That implies x minus x square equal to 0. X into 1 minus x equal to 0. That implies x equal to 0 or x equal to 1. That means here x starting from 0, here is coordinate 1 to 1. Here 0, 0. Now, question is what is the limit of y? Y limit, one y is x square and another y is x. Listen, y is upper curve. Y equal to x is upper curve. Okay. And y equal to x square is lower curve. That means taking this as lower limit and this as upper limit. Right, like this. Integration of xy into x plus y dx dy. Here x limit is equal to 0 to 1 and y limit is equal to x square to x. Okay. Now, which equal to integration of xy into x plus y into dy dx, y is equal to x square x, x is equal to 0 to. Okay. Now we simplify as usual the previous integration. Okay. Here with respect to y, that means x is constant. Here, or simplifying this, x square y plus x y square into dy d. Integration y equal to x square to x equal to 0 to which equal to taking x square constant into integration of y equal to y square by 2. Here x into y cube by 3. Limit is x square to x into dx equation 0 to is equal to x square by 2 into in place of y square first put x square minus lower limit square that means x square ka square equal to x to the power 2 plus x by 3 into x cube minus x square its cube that means x to the power 6 to dx integration 0 to 1 which equal to integration 0 to 2 1 by 2 x square into x square x to the power 4 minus 1 by 2 into x square into x to the power 4 x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 by 3 minus x to the power 7 by 3 into dx which equal to 0 to 1. Here half x to the power 4 plus 1 by 3 x to the power 4. Adding these 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 6. 5 by 6 x to the power 4 minus 1 by 2 x to the power 6 minus 1 by 3 x to the power 7 into dx which equal to 5 by 6 x to the power 5 by 5 minus 1 by 2 into x to the power 7 by 7 minus 1 by 3 into x to the power 8 by 8. Limit 0 to 1. Okay. Here 5 and 5 are cancelled. 1 by 6 minus here putting x value equal to 1 that implies 1 by 14 minus 1 by 24. Here taking LCM 168. 168 by 6. 28 minus minus 12 minus 13 which equal to 9 by 168. Which equal to 3 by 55. 15 1 18 which equal to 3 by 56. Which is here, first evaluating this question, first to draw a graph and find the portion whose area we will find. Okay. Here y equal to 0, that means the line or the axis is y equal to 0. And next is x equal to y square. Since the y power is even, that means symmetric to x axis. That means is this graph. Okay, the graph x equal to y square. And another one equation is x plus 2y equal to 3. When we put x equal to 0, 2y equal to 3, that means y equal to 3 by 2, 1.5. X at x equal to 0, y equal to 1.5. That means x equal to 0, y equal to suppose here 1, here equal to 2, here 1. That means here 1.5. And when put x is equal to 1, 1 plus 2y equal to 3. That means 2y equal to 2. That implies y is equal to 1 at x equal to 1, y equal to 1. That means x equal to 1, y equal to 1 means here at y is equal to 0, x equal to 3. we have to find the area of this portion. Okay. Here, given question is integration of 5 minus 2x minus y into dx dy. Okay. Here x varies from, this is one point, x varies from x equal to the parabola at lower part of this shaded section is x equal to y square. That means here we'll take limit x equal to y square. It bounded with the equation of line x plus 2y equal to 3. That means here x equal to 3 minus 2y. That means its upper limit is 3 minus 2. The next y limit, here one limit of y is given 0. The another limit will come from this line equation and parabola equation. Simplifying this, x plus 2y equal to 3. That means in place of x we'll put y square plus 2y. Here minus 3 equal to 0. Y plus 3 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. Which equal to y equal to minus 3 and y equal to 1. But minus 3. But there is not in third or fourth quadrant. That means y value is 1. That means y varies from 0 to 1. Okay. 5x minus 2 into x square by 2 minus y constant into integration of dx equal to x. It limit y square to 3 minus 2. Okay. Into dy integration 0 to 1. Which equal to 5 into 3 minus 2y minus lower limit y square. Here 2 and 2 will cancel, minus x square, that means 3 minus 2y whole square minus y square whole square, that means y to the power 4 minus y into 3 minus 2y minus y square into dy. Okay, it's equal to 0 to 1. 5 into 3, 15, minus 10y, minus 5y square, here minus 3 square 9 plus 4y square minus 3 into 2 into 2, 6 into 2, 12y minus y to the power 4 minus 3 minus 2y square minus y to 2, which equal to 0 to 1. Here 15 minus 9, which equal to 6 minus 10y minus 3y. Here is minus of minus plus 12y, 12y minus 3y, 9y minus 10y, which equal to minus y. Okay. Minus 5y square minus 4y square minus 9y square plus 2y square, which equal to minus 7y square. Okay. Next is minus y cube minus of minus y to the power 4, y to the power 4 minus of minus plus y to the power 3 into dy. Okay, which equal to 6y minus y square by 2 minus 7 into y cube by 3 plus y to the power 5 by 5 plus y to the power 4 by 4, limit is 0 to 1. 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 7 by 3 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 equal to taking here 60 as LCM. 60 into 6, 360 minus 30 minus 140 plus 12 plus 15, which is equal to simplifying this answer will be 217 by 60. Okay. Thank you. For question number 11 and 12, follow the next. Okay.